What's going on YouTube? Bumminasuit here, come back with another box. 2011 Rookies and Stars. Empty box there. Alright, pack one, good luck. On base. All base. Got a big fat decoy. There's some base cards. Got a longevity for the Chargers. Marcus Gilhurst. Over to 249. Marcus Gilhurst. Rookie. Thought I saw something in there, but nope. Absolutely nothing. Got a gold longevity rookie number to 49, number 3 of 49 for the Jets, and Muhammad Wilkerson. That was nothing but base in that one. There's a fatty right here. Feels like a patch. I think it is. Actually, you know what? Let's save this. We're gonna put it right here so you guys can see it. Big fat one. Let's set it right there. And just save it for a couple more packs. Alright, we got for the Bills. Just a rookie card. Rookie Revolution of Marcell Dareus. Marcell Dareus for the Bills. I'm gonna open one more pack and then we're gonna do it. I don't think there's anything in here either. Nope, base. Alright, here we go. Alright, good luck. I'm thinking, let's try this way. I think it goes this way, but I'm not sure. Looks like it's for the Giants. Oh, nice patch there. 2-color patch. Eli Manning for the Giants. It's not bad. It's probably numbered to 50. Let's see. 2-color patch at Eli Manning. Numbered 14 of 50. 14 of 50. So whoever had the Giants, congratulations on that one. Nice little Eli Manning 2-color patch. Is that Foxborough again? You're shitting me, right? Holy crap, it is. Wow. That's crazy. For the Lions, Studio Rookies of Titus Young. That is not numbered. Titus Young. Box getting that's his 4th hit now. I have 2 boxes. Decoy. Finish off this row real quick. There's a, wow, it's the first time I've actually got one of these for the Chargers. Actually, we just pulled his longevity. Number 221 of 300. It's going to be a thin auto. His auto is pretty nice there. Corey Luggett. Look at that. Nice two little letters for his autograph there. Corey Luggett auto, I believe you pronounce it, for the Chargers. So congratulations, the Chargers getting a hit there. Let's set that over there. Whoever has the Chargers, who has the Chargers? Is that Truth? The shit, it is Truth. So the only two people getting hits in the break are Truth and Foxborough. I'm just gonna ship Fox and Truth the next two boxes and just let them bust them on their own. No, I'm not getting anything either, guys, so don't feel bad. Here's another hit. Let's go this way. I'll show you guys here. This little jersey card here. Good luck. It's for the Bills. Jersey card of Marcell Dareus. Probably numbered to 299. Just a single color jersey card. Yep, 270 at 299. It's a nice little $2-3 card there. Marcell Dareus. Big dude, man. Alright, we're still looking for a main hit. Looking for a patch auto. Yeah, I actually got a hit. Marcell Dareus hit. Here's it for the longevity. That's a nice longevity to have. Too bad it wasn't lower number. Number 249 for the Patriots of Tom Brady. Tom Brady longevity for the Pats. Number 99 of 249. Decoy. You're the stash. Decoy. 5 packs left. Still looking for a main hit. I got a Studio Rickies for the Giants, number to 500 of Jarrell Jernigan. Yeah, you and the other, what, 13 people? Nobody else is getting anything. I think this is our last one here. Nope, Decoy. I'm playing Decoy there. 3 packs left. I'm like saving it till the last minute. There's a longevity for the Bills, number to 99, a CJ Spiller. For the Bills. 2 packs left. And there's no hit in here, so it better be in the last pack we open. Studio Rickies for the Bengals. This is a nice card, number to 500. Too bad it wasn't autographed or anything. AJ Green and Andy Dalton. Magoo, what up? Andy Dalton. This should be our last hit right here. So good luck. Better be a hit. I'm going to be contacting Panini. You've got to be shitting me. I think we got duped. Nope, there's a hit in here. I lied. There is a hit in here. I don't know which way it goes or who it is or what it is, but good luck. Actually, let's go this way. It looked like it was the Titans almost. It's green. Yeah, it is for the Titans. Jamie Harper. Why it's green, I have no idea. It should be blue, green. Oh wow, numbered 5 of 10. Numbered 5 of 10 of Jamie Harper. Yeah, it's numbered at 10. So whoever had the Titans, congratulations on that one. It's pretty nice. Show you the numbering there. 5 of 10. My camera sometimes is, there it goes. So pretty nice, 5 of 10, Jamie Harper. Alright, that's it for box 2. We'll come back with a couple more. Bowman Suit out.